The Flybird Ab Machine. Super compact, portable unit. You can just stand this against the wall when you're not using it. This thing is very easy to set up. You see you have one pin right here. Pull out the pin and then this thing extracts like this. Now there's a couple of different settings. You got all these different settings. 1, 2, 3, 4. You pick whichever setting you want. The higher it is, like right here, this one is the highest setting. That's the most difficult one. You just put in pin and that's the hardest setting right here. The higher it is, the more difficult it is. If you want it easier, you can drop this down all the way to this setting right here, and you can see how it will sit lower, and it makes it easier to do your ab muscle because you're using less gravity to push against you. I like to challenge myself. So we're gonna go to the top one just so you can see how difficult this is. And also there's 5 different settings for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can adjust the height here too. Remember, the higher this is, the more difficult it is. You have a display here that will count and keep track of their time as you're working out. We're gonna go to the counter right here. So we're gonna count how many reps we do. So right here it says 3 because we just did a few. But what you do is you put your knees right here. You put your elbow kind of right here, and you grab onto this. Very comfortable grip. You can put a phone here to have something to watch, but we're not gonna do that for this demonstration here. You're gonna use your core to pull up like this and release. That's 1 rep, 2, 3. Just like that. It really focuses on your core, and it's very easy on your neck and your shoulder because there's no sit-ups. You're just using your abdominal muscle and really focusing on that core to build those abs. It works really well, and it's very compact. This thing is easy to take out and use, put away, store it underneath your bed, in your closet, anywhere. This is the Flybird Ab Machine, and it's very compact. When you're done working out, lift this pin, put this back in place like that, put the pin back so you don't lose it, and you can just store it away like that. The Flybird Ab Machine right here. Oh yeah.